Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Space Invaders handheld carabiner. I don't know, I can't say that word. It doesn't sound right to me, but alright, so it's the clip version where you clip it on a backpack or something of your value. Well, it's not really what you would think the name implies, and where is it? There's a weird guy over there. I don't know what the hell he's doing. It doesn't even look like anything from Space Invaders. Maybe they ran out of cover art. But, so you can see it's a LCD panel. You can kind of just vaguely see the little marks. I don't know if you could see that on the screen. Let me focus it in a little bit. The little light black colored lines right there. So when we turn it on, first we have a D-pad. Too close. We have a D-pad, which is very low quality and cheap. And we have A button and B button, which aren't labeled. I'm just saying that because that's what it looks like. So to turn it on, we'll hit this button right here. Alright, and then we start playing. So, yeah, the volume's really bad. I'll try to get a better shot of it here. Right, I realized right after buying it that it doesn't take much skill to play this game. That is because, yeah. Now, figure it out yourself. You have a limited number of positions, so it really doesn't matter where you go. And another thing I found is that instead of regular Space Invaders, where as they come closer they stay the same character, they change, the sprites change into the lower ones as they come down, which makes no sense at all. Don't know what they were going for here. Yeah, there's 10 levels. Hard to hold this. 3 lives like the regular one, but the regular one doesn't have 10 levels. The top thing is the pause button, and bottom shows the high score. And yeah, what else can I say? It's Space Invaders. Another thing that I don't understand is why when you go to the next level, your sand bunker things, whatever the hell they are, they don't come back. So, yeah, I don't know what they were going for here, but it's a half-decent game anyway, and it was only $6.99. And yeah, you got a cheap speaker back here. Don't throw away. Haha. We won't be doing that, will we? Reset. It takes 2 AAA batteries. And yeah, if you want to take it apart, there's screw holes for you. And yeah, it's just a clip. Okay, so that is the Space Invaders handheld pocket clip, whatever you want to call it, minigame thing. Alright, so I'll have another video up in a couple, just following this one. So yeah, enjoy. And remember to rate, comment, and subscribe.